Hello, this is the 6 sounds of OU. First one is like could, book. The second one is like ooh, through, and moon. Here's some more OU. The OU, go, although. Number 4 is like this. OU, sun, sun. Number 5 OU is ow, ow, house. Number 6 is the aw, like dog, cough. So let's try some of them now. If I show you these words, they're like would and should. They go over here with book and could. Number 2, we say there's moon, through. You. When you cut somebody, or someone cuts you, you have a wound. Wound. We have a word called, from French, and it's like coup d'etat. It's a French word for let's change the government quickly. Number 3, go, although. And sometimes we just say though. Again, that's OU. We have this word with enough, rough, southern, tough. This word southern is difficult because here we call that south, but when you add ERN it becomes southern. So let's try the ow sound. Out, house, bounce, bound, loud, cloud, ground, wound. This kind of wound is when you wind something up. Wind and wound. Shout, sound, count, round, mouth. Oh, there it is again. South, pound. The final sound that we have with the OU is like aw, dog. I thought, I bought, and I thought. I really ought to practice more. So these were the many sounds of OU. Thank you for watching. This has been brought to you by Free English Lessons.com. FreeEnglishLessons.com. You can always write to me at freeenglishLessons@gmail.com. That's right, Free English Lessons @gmail.com. Thank you.